Good morning, dear students. I welcome you all in today's English class. Today we will continue our lesson 13, the foamy soap. As we have already done OE sound words, today we will do the picture reading and text reading of the chapter. Dear students, what is the foamy soap? Yes, as I already told you, this is a foamy soap. We can see the foam around the soap. Yes, this is foamy soap. So, let's read the chapter. Open your book. Open page number 54. Dear students, on page number 54, first of all, we will write today's date and CW. Yes, lesson 13, the foamy soap. The foamy soap, as you have already seen, what is foamy soap? Let's understand the chapter with the help of picture. See the first picture. Yes, what you can see in the picture? It's a picture of a jungle. And there is a goat, Dopey. He is carrying a load of coal. He wears red coat. Yes, we can see he is going to somewhere. Yes, to drop the load of coal. But as we can see the expression, he is scared because he is alone while going and crossing to the jungle. So, what he is thinking? He is thinking to take help from his friend Soapy the toad. He goes to his house to take his help. Let's see what happens when he goes to Soapy. Soapy is taking bath because Soapy is a very clean toad. Yes, you can see he's taking bath. He's using soap. When he enters, Dopey says, "My dear friend, can you come with me?" As you know, Toad is very brave. Soapy is very brave. So he says, "Yes, I can come with you." Then they are ready to go, and when they are walking through the jungle, what they see? There is a lion. And we all know Dopey is not brave, but Soapy is very brave. So he thinks and plans to face the lion. But the lion is also thinking something. He's thinking that, wow, today I got a toad and a goat and I will eat them. But Soap is very brave and very intelligent. He makes a plan. He asks Lion, "Sir, please give me a glass of water because I'm very thirsty. We both have been walking since morning, so we want water." The lion gives them a glass of water and lies down under a tree, as you can see in the picture. And what he plans? The toad take out the soap from his pocket and rub the soap on Dopey and himself and make the place slippery, and then they begin to run. When the lion starts running to catch them, he slips. And Soapy and Dopey run fast. They see a boat near the river. They board the boat and row it fast to other side. This way they save their life and now both are happy. So dear students, now we will read the chapter. So turn up the page. First we will read new words given in the chapter. First word is master. Master is owner. Brave, as Soapy, the toad was brave. Yes. Jungle, you can see the jungle. Scared is a feeling when we see a scary thing, we feel scared. Slippery, yes, we feel a slippery floor when we take bath in the bathroom. Next, yes, next town, next thing, next place, you know what is next. Suddenly, अचानक से. Agrees, you do, if you do good thing, your mother agrees with you. But if you do wrong thing, your mother disagrees with you. Town, yes, town is a place which is smaller than cities and bigger than villages, where you see buildings, cars, roads, factories and many things which are upgraded and better than village. Let's read the chapter. Keep your pencil. Dopey is a hard-working goat. He always wears a bright red coat, as we see in the picture. One day, his master tells him to carry a load of coal to the next town. So, his master tells him to carry the load of coal to the next town. Dopey is a good goat. He likes to work for his master, but he knows that to go to the next town, he has to cross the jungle. Yes, he is a very good goat. He follows all the instructions and commands given by his master. But this time he is feeling scared because he knows that he has to cross the jungle to go to the next town. And a big bad lion lives in the jungle, and he also knows that there is a big lion in the jungle. Dopey is scared. He does not want to go alone into the jungle. So he doesn't want to go to alone. He wants someone with him. So Dopey thinks of his friend Soapy the toad. He goes to his house. Who is Toad? Toad is a baby of frog. So he has a friend Toad, Dopey, and he goes to his house to take help. He finds Soapy taking a bath. Soapy is a very clean toad. He has a round pink soap. He always keeps the soap in his pocket. As we can see, Toad is taking bath and he's having pink soap, and he keeps this soap in his pocket always. Dopey asks Soapy to go with him to the next town. Soapy is very brave. I am not scared of the lion, he boasts. So he expresses his feeling that he is not scared of the lion. He agrees to go with Dopey. He packs some toasts in a box and the two friends set off down the road. They walk all day. It becomes roar. They start walking faster. So both the friends set off down the road. They walk all day. It becomes night. Yes, dear students, when they walk all day, now it becomes night. Suddenly they hear a loud roar. And who is roaring? We can see in the picture. They start walking faster. Yes, after listening the roar, they start walking faster. But what do they see? The big bad lion is standing before them. Turn up the page. The lion says, "Aha, a goat and a toad. I am going to roast you and eat you for dinner. I am tired of eating boars every day." The two friends are scared, but they do not show it. Yes, they are scared, but they are not showing that we are scared. Soapy the toad is smart. He has a good plan. He says, "Lion sir, we have been walking since morning. We are very thirsty. Please let us drink some water first, then you can eat us." The lion gives them a glass of water and lies down under a tree. Soapy takes out the soap from his pocket and soaks it in the glass. He then rubs the soap on Dopey and himself. There is lot of foam. Yes, as we have seen in the picture, Soapy makes a plan. He takes out the soap from his pocket and rub the goat and himself and make lot of foam. Next page. They become slippery. Then they begin to run. The lion sees them running and runs after them. He catches the goat, but oops, the goat slips away. He catches the toad, but the toad also slips away. Soapy throws the pink foamy soap on the ground. The lion puts his foot on the soap, and do you know what happens? The lion slips and bangs his head against a tree. Yes, we have seen in the picture, he slips and bang his head against a tree. He cries loudly for help. Dopey and Soapy runs fast. They see a boat near the river. They board the boat and row it fast to the other side. So dear students, I hope you understood the story. Please read the chapter twice and try to understand the story yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day.